In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix free transform not working in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever pressed Ctrl+T expecting the transform box to appear so you can resize, rotate, or scale your image, but nothing happens, you're definitely not alone. This is actually a very common Photoshop issue, and it's usually caused by a simple setting that helps you out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing you want to check is whether the correct layer is selected. Free transform only works on the active layer, so if the wrong layer is selected, Photoshop won't transform the object you expect. Go to the Layers panel on the right side of Photoshop and look at the list of layers in your document. Click directly on the layer that contains the image, graphic, or object you want to transform. Once that layer is highlighted, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. If the correct layer is selected, you should now see the transform bounding box appear around the object. If nothing appears, it may be because the layer you selected is empty or not the actual object layer, so double-check that first. The second thing to check is whether the layer is locked. Locked layers cannot be transformed in Photoshop. Look again in the Layers panel and see if there is a small lock icon next to the layer you are trying to edit. If you see that lock symbol, simply click on it to unlock the layer. Once the layer is unlocked, press Ctrl+T again to activate Free Transform. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue instantly. Next, let's check whether transform controls are hidden. Sometimes the transform handles are actually working, but the bounding box is not visible. To fix this, select the Move tool by pressing the V key on your keyboard. Then go to the top options bar in Photoshop and look for an option called Show Transform Controls. Make sure that box is checked. As soon as you enable it, Photoshop will display the resize handles around the selected layer, allowing you to scale or rotate your object visually. Another thing that can cause transform issues is when you're working with smart objects or certain types of layers, like text layers. These sometimes behave differently when transforming. A quick fix is to rasterize the layer. To do this, go to the Layers panel, right-click on the layer you're working with, and choose Rasterize Layer from the menu. Once the layer has been rasterized, press Ctrl+T again and try transforming the object. In many cases, this removes restrictions that were preventing the transform from working properly. Now let's look at another common reason free transform seems broken. Sometimes Photoshop is actually waiting for you to finish a previous transform. If a transform operation was started but never confirmed, Photoshop will keep that action active in the background. Press Ctrl+T and then look at the top options bar. You should see a small checkmark icon and a cancel icon. Click the checkmark to confirm the transform or click Cancel to exit it. Once that action is completed, try pressing Ctrl+T again and the transform tool should start working normally. If none of those solutions worked, the final fix is resetting Photoshop preferences. Occasionally, Photoshop settings become corrupted, which can cause tools and shortcuts to stop functioning correctly. To reset your preferences, close Photoshop completely. Then reopen Photoshop while holding Ctrl+Alt+Shift on your keyboard. Photoshop will ask you if you want to reset preferences. Confirm the reset and allow Photoshop to start normally. This restores the default settings and often fixes stubborn issues with tools like Free Transform. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Free Transform not working in Adobe Photoshop. By checking the correct layer, unlocking layers, enabling transform controls, rasterizing layers, confirming unfinished transforms, or resetting preferences, you can usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, quick fixes, and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.